Hello, my name is Stacy Oakland. I'm the executive director for Okanogan County Community Coalition, and we focus on youth substance use prevention efforts in OMAC and Okanogan County. With youth tobacco use, the trend seems to be vaping. Some of the data that we have seen from the Healthy Youth Survey shows that youth are using vaping devices. But something that is concerning about that is they don't necessarily know what they're vaping. So that is one of the trends for youth use of tobacco. It's vape. Well, vaping, you get 3 times the nicotine than you would in a regular cigarette. So that makes addiction that much quicker and stronger and harder for them to quit. Plus, there's something called popcorn lung that can happen because the vape liquids go into your lungs and can cause lung damage, different than, say, tobacco smoke might. I think adults, if we go back to vaping, thought that vaping would help them quit smoking. And that isn't, adult tobacco use isn't necessarily our wheelhouse, but we have found that they have tried to use it as a quitting tobacco device, but now they are addicted to the vape because, well, it's 3 times the amount of nicotine. And so they might think that they're doing themselves a favor by not having the carcinogens maybe from the tobacco smoke, but they are actually damaging their lungs with chemicals from the vape device. Well, for youth substance use, tobacco use, since that's what we're talking about today, we would like to reduce that use. So, for instance, T Club, the prevention club at the high school, has for the last 5 years done a vaping presentation for middle school kids where they share the dangers of vaping. They recently just returned from Spring Youth Forum where they presented on a state level about what they learned about these presentations. So we have peer-to-peer influence in the high school trying to combat that, which I think is really important. Well, I would try to have a conversation with my child to find out why they're using, what's going on in their world, why do they think this is a good idea, without being too harsh. I would talk to them about the long-term impacts of vaping or cigarette use. I would, if I am myself, I would find out where they're getting the cigarettes from. I would find out that piece, and then I would, if I myself am smoking, I would really try to quit, because you want to be able to be there for your kid as much as possible, and possibly your grandkids. Right now, youth substance use prevention programs that we have going are Hidden in Plain Sight, which is a presentation given to parents in the community. It's it has a mock teen's bedroom, and there are items in there that parents, before the presentation, walk through this teen's bedroom and they look for, just look through and see if there's anything that stands out to them. Then our facilitators give a presentation about the items that maybe they saw or didn't see in the teen's bedroom, and it gives an opportunity for a conversation and then resources. What if you find these things in the teen's bedroom? What do you do? Do you freak out? No, probably not a good idea. So what do you do as a parent? How do you have those conversations with your kid? The Guiding Good Choices workshop, parenting workshop, and it's for parents of 9 to 14-year-olds. And we have an upcoming training in June for that. It's 5 sessions, 5 2-hour sessions. So you can check out our website for that at okcommunity.org. And then we also have Parenting Wisely online. Those are either in teen or for young child, and those are also available in Spanish. You can check out our website to register for those as well. You can contact us at okcommunity.org. My phone number is 322-8431. And my email is stacy@okcommunity.org.